Unit 8. Is there any food? Lesson 1.
Listen and repeat.
Thirsty. Rice. Banana. Burger. Milk. Pizza. Fridge. Hungry. Orange juice. Bread. Ice cream. Sausage. Chicken. Hot dog.
Listen and read.
Oscar, I'm hungry. Is there any food in the fridge? Let's see. There's some bread. I like bread. Are there any eggs? Sorry, there aren't any eggs. Are you thirsty? There's some milk. Yes, I am. Oh, look. There's some chicken, too. I love chicken. Hey, let's get some ice cream. Oh no! Now we haven't got any food. Let's go to Burger World.
Look and listen.
Are there any eggs?
No, there aren't any eggs, but there's some bread.
Now, you answer. Are there any oranges?
No, there aren't any oranges, but there's some milk.
Are there any bananas?
No, there aren't any bananas, but there's some rice.
Are there any sausages?
No, there aren't any sausages, but there's some chicken.
Are there any apples?
No, there aren't any apples, but there's some cake.
Are there any burgers?
No, there aren't any burgers, but there's some pizza.
Listen and repeat.
I'm thirsty. Let's get some milk. I'm hungry. Let's get some ice cream.
Now you say.
I'm thirsty. Let's get some apple juice.
I'm hungry. Let's get some hot dogs.
I'm thirsty. Let's get some orange juice.
I'm hungry. Let's get some burgers. I'm hungry. Let's get some pizza.